Have you ever opened a cell and suddenly all your numbers change to hash values? You might think your data is lost, but don't worry. In this video, I will show you how exactly why a cell shows hash values and how you can fix it in seconds. If you use Excel for work or school, this video will save you stress. So stay with me to the end. First, let me clear you this fear is not an error. It simply means Excel does not have enough space to display your data. Your data is still there. Excel just can't show it properly. This is the data set that we are going to be working with for today. As you can see, we have the employee name, the date, and the salary. So let's look at the first reason why your data shows hash value. The first one, the first reason is when your column is too narrow. This is most common. When your column is too narrow, it shows the hash value. Like this one that we have salary, look at it here. It's showing me hash value. What you just need to do, what you just need to do to fix it is to come to this place. You place your mouse here that the column is, you double click it. Either you double click or you widen it. You can come here. If you reduce it, once once you reduce it, as you can see, it will be showing the hash value again. This is most common. This is the reason why your data shows hash value. Let's look at the second one. So the second reason why your data shows hash value is the date. That is the format of date that you use. It makes your data to show the hash value. Let me increase this one. Like, for example, look at this date. Like this one is in short format, short date. Let me change it to long date. Look at it, it's showing me what? Hash value. What I just need to do is to come here and increase it. Once I increase it, you can see the date is showing properly. This is another course where why your data shows hash value. Then still in this date, sometimes it can show hash value if you try to, like, you want to minus, let me say the date I have here, 12 1 1 2026 minus 12 1 2020. Let me say this is it. I change it to date because it's not in date. Let me say short date. Look at it. Because this is wrong, because this is wrong, once the date is negative, it will show you what? It will show you hash value. This is another reason why your data shows hash value. So what you need to do is you check the formula, ensures your start date comes before your end date. Ensure your start date comes before your end date. Excel does not like going back in time. Fourth reason why your data shows hash value is when your data is large number or decimal point. Let me say this amount is 3 million. Look at it, it's already showing me what? Hash value. Or let me say this is 1.2 million point 56. Look at it, it's showing me what? Hash value. So the basic thing for you to do is to come here, you do what? You drag it so that it will what? It will accommodate all the value that you have typed in. The more digits you show, the more excess space is needed. So what you just need to do is to increase your column weight, then reduce the decimal. Data is showing hash value. What you need to do is to troubleshoot it. The quick troubleshooting, you troubleshoot it to know what the issue is. You first of all check, is the column too narrow? Is it too small? Is it the date? Or is it negative value? Is the numbers too large? So once you check it, you know what the issue is. So what you just need to do is to do what? Is to fix it. Just with what I've told you, double click on the column width, or you drag down, or you, if you see that you didn't get it, you can do Control Z. If formatting breaks, then use the short. Like for this date, if I want it to accommodate it, I will come to this date, then I will now change it to short. I will remove it from the long date to the short date. See, it has accommodated what? The date. Why? Because I changed the format. Now you know hash value is not an error. It's just a say asking for more space. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share with someone who uses Excel.